Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and we are doing another giveaway for our monthly giveaway for the under 18. So this will be for a Wynola Ranch cage and also 60 eggs from Myshire Farm. All is going to be free to someone that's under 18 that wants to be self-sufficient or start their own business or things like that. So we got quite a bit of emails this month for entries, which was very exciting, and I hope they still come. We're going to be doing this every month. I've already talked to Wynola Ranch. They are going to be also giving away one of their cages every month for this contest as well. So I'm very excited about that. But without further ado, the winner is Akylee. Last name is Cepeda, I believe. The email is from Jessica Flynn. And this is what it reads. It says, "Hello, Miss Jenna. I hope you're having a good day. My name is Akylee, and I am writing to re-enter for the monthly quail egg and cage giveaway. I think I messaged Zach last time, but don't remember. Sorry. Congratulations to Ashley, who won the first time. Hope she is super successful. I hope I win this time, but it's okay if I don't. I hope I do for the following reasons. I am 13 and live in a very country part of Western Tennessee. I would like to win this as it's an opportunity to start a local business because I think quail could be very popular. A lot of people keep bobwhites, but Coturnix mature a lot faster, so I think that would give me a bonus. I'd be able to hatch them quicker. They mature super fast at 6 to 8 weeks and are sometimes bigger than bobwhites when all grown. I think once some of the local farmers realize how much better they are than bobwhites, I'd have bunches of customers. I have been saving money as I want to order eggs from Myshire anyway. I've been doing my homework and I'm super excited to maybe win your eggs as you guys have the prettiest varieties. I love your black tie affair collection. They remind me of little penguins, LOL. I also wouldn't mind a project to focus on right now as school has been canceled due to the coronavirus. We are out till April 1st and Mom says they're talking about not letting us go back at all as there are over 500 cases around us already. Something to focus on would be good. They send us packets home weekly, but I finish mine quickly. Thank you for another opportunity. I'm going to have my mom subscribe to your channel so I can keep up to date with everything." You are the winner. So congratulations. We are going to be doing this giveaway every month. So if you are under the age of 18, feel free to email Jenna at myshirefarm.com or Zach at myshirefarm.com. And we will pick another winner next month on the 1st. This will be for a Wynola Ranch cage and eggs from Myshire Farm. But we think that this is a great opportunity for the younger generation to start becoming more self-sufficient and more self-reliant. So thank you very much. Thank you for all the entries and congratulations to Akylee. We will talk to you soon. Message me or call me at 937-760-7282 and we will get you your cage and your eggs as soon as we can. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody.